John Kavakis here with another edition of My Take, and today I've got 6 new Brooklins to show you. Let me tell you what I'm talking about, because Brooklyn's been on a roll lately. They've been putting out some really amazing models, and these are equally amazing. So the first thing we have is the brand new Brooklyn Collectors Club Model of the Year, 37th model for 2025, which is 1960 Lincoln Continental Town Car. Very special model. And the second 5, and that's right, I have 5 versions of Elmo's 1969 Roadrunner. 5 different versions. I'm excited to show these to you. Let me explain to you about the Brooklyn Collectors Club. This is the 37th version of the Brooklyn Collectors Club. They come out with a new model every year. They number the first group of models according to the number of models they've released. So I've got number 2 of 37 here. Next year there will be 38 numbered models. Kind of a little special gesture towards the history of the club. Now, when you sign up to become a member of the Brooklyn Collectors Club, you can become eligible to buy one of their models. You've got to be a member to buy a model, but you get more than that. They've got a magazine that they produce 3 times a year, sometimes 4. There is of course, the capability to get the club model, but you also get a numbered membership card, and you can attend their meeting, their AGM, each year, which is held sometime in the fall. So there are a lot of advantages to be a member of the Brooklyn Collectors Club. I'll give you the information on how you can become a member if you're not a little later on in the video. Now let's talk a little bit about Elmo models. Elmo models has been championed by Mo Brown, you know him from the Brooklyn Collectors Club, and his son Elliot. Now, they have been releasing limited edition models for the last 4 or 5 years or so, and each one is more spectacular than the last one. This one here is just going to blow you away. So that's not all they do, is issue limited edition models. Mo Brown and Elliot are the only resource for Brooklyn parts. I'll tell you how you can get in touch with him. But they also have a service to locate desirable models. So there are a lot of resources there in the Brooklyn Collectors Club and in Mo and Elliot Brown as well. So I'll tell you how you can take advantage of all that stuff. But I want to get these models out of the box and show them to you, because they are something elevated above anything we've seen from either Collectors Club or Elmo models. They've all been good before. These are amazing. Let me show them to you. Okay, first up is the BCC Club Model, 2025 Club Model. And this is the 1960 Lincoln Continental Mark V Town Car. Now, this is one of 2 versions. They had a formal version. They had this version, limited production by Hessen Eisenhardt. This is a rework of a previous master for Brooklyn, but it is a thorough rework and totally different roof. Really nice detail. Look at the delicate nature of the window surrounds and some of the extra detail that has been added. The interior is just beautiful. I've got some more pictures I'll show you of all of this stuff, but it's a beautiful model with a completely deep and lustrous finish. Great looking chrome, great looking lensing. I'll tell you something, Darren and Neil and Chris just outdid themselves on this, and of course Simon laid down the paint. It's beautiful. Here's a look at the interior. It's amazing. The dash is very well picked up, but I want you to take a look at that roof. The grain on that roof is a padded vinyl roof on the original car. The grain on that is almost perfectly replicated. Take a look at the front of the car. Beautiful work on the grille. Incredible texture there. Great lensing. Look how delicate that hood ornament is. A new level of detail from Brooklyn. More detail around the back. Great lensing on the turn signals, on the tail lights. And I want you to look at that roof again. This is just a masterfully done roof. It looks like the original padded roof that came on the 1-1. Here's the Roadrunner. This is just an incredible model. This is the A12 version of the Roadrunner. And you can see by the unique hood scoop and the tie downs on each corner of the hood. But an incredible detail, a beautiful finish. This color is called Seafoam Turquoise. A little bit more blue, but that's an authentic color. It's a replication of the actual color of the car. Love those red line tires and the steely wheels. It's just beautiful. The interior is very well detailed. It's kind of hard to take a look at it right now because it's all black, but they've done a fantastic job on the detail, and all the small details are there. The Roadrunner decals, the door handles, the mirrors, the chrome and everything. It's just a beautiful model, and it's something kind of new, as Brooklyn moves into these late 60s, early 70s and everything, they're doing a really great job on this. There's another version. This is a 383 car in bronze fire. It's got Magnum 500 wheels, and you get a look at the interior on this one, some of the interior detail. Really nice job on the interior. This is kind of a new level of interior detail again for Brooklyn. They're just hitting them out of the park. Beautiful color, great hood scoops, authentic replica of the Roadrunner. We all remember how neat that was. Here it is in Raleigh Green, 383 car with the Magnum 500 wheels as well, and a beige interior. These are all limited editions. I'll put the numbers up for you to see, but you can see they've gone to great pains to give realistic detail level to this. Here's another A12 car with 440 and a big hood scoop on it. This is in Bahama yellow. Look at those red lines. They're just beautiful. Again, that same level of detail. There were only 10 of these made. I love it. The color, I think, is just spectacular. And our last version is another Raleigh Green 383 car with steel wheels and poverty hubcaps. We call them dog dish hubcaps over here. Another beautiful finish. Now the flex shows up a little more under the studio lights than it does in person, but that finish is nearly perfect. Just a few shots to show off the detail here. Once again, look at the window surrounds. That is not paint. Look at the delicate nature of the vent window edges, the windshield wipers, the hood lockdowns. Just a beautifully detailed car. All the models have this level of detail up front, a beautiful grille, great lensing. Look at a hood scoop. It is hyper realistic. They've captured the look of the Roadrunner so well. We've got the same high level of detail around the back. The lensing is just really nice on this. But you know what? These cars were supposed to be stripped down street brawlers. And so Roadrunners never had a lot of equipment, a lot of trim. What I think Brooklyn's done so beautifully here is they've captured the trim that makes it pop and makes it look realistic. Okay, there we are. The 2025 Brooklyn Collectors Club Lincoln Continental Town Car, 1960 model. Beautiful model, incredible detail, and all 5 of Elmo's models. Now, you can, I'll put up here on the screen the contact information for the Brooklyn Collectors Club and for Mo Brown as well. You can touch base with them if you need parts from Mo. If you want to order the next limited edition from Mo, you're going to want to touch base with him, get on his list. And of course, if you want to join the club, you'll be able to get in touch with them as well. The bad news I've got here is these things are already sold out. So why am I even making a video of models that aren't available? Well, I'll tell you why. Brooklyn's production schedule has been limited. They're putting out 50, 60, 70 models at a time. The Brooklyn Club model is limited only to the number of pre-orders that they get, and so is Elmo's limited edition Elmo models. They're limited to the number of pre-orders. And so every time they release one of these, people take a look at them and go, oh, gee, I should have ordered them. Is there any way I can get a hold of one? Well, the way to get a hold of the next issue is to contact the BCC or to contact Elmo, Mo Brown, and let them know that you want to be on the list. Now, you got to pay the membership to be part of the club, but Elmo just keeps a list, and when pre-orders open, he gives plenty of time for these. When pre-orders open up, you'll be able to get on the list and pre-order your next Elmo model. And if the next model is anything like this one, you're going to want to have it. Now, Darren and Neil over at Brooklyn, Simon, with Simon's help and Chris's as well, are producing some really amazing models, some of the best white metal models I've seen in a long, long time. And so, but because the production is limited on the Brooklyn models, on the BCC model, on the Elmo models, you got to get in early. That means you got to keep an eye on the Facebook pages. You got to keep an eye on this video channel because I usually announce these things ahead of time. So once you hear about it, you can touch base with these people, get yours on order, and then you'll be one of those that is sitting there going, well, I got mine. I'm sorry you didn't get yours. Hey, this has been a great time. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like in the lower right-hand corner. Love to hear your comments. I'm getting comments from people like all over the world. If you do nothing at all, just give me a little comment where you're from so I can see the reach we have for the channel. I'll be back again with some more videos in just a little bit. Thanks for tuning in.